Try this delightful Mary cake, a precious recipe straight out of a family cookbook. Begin by blending eggs with sugar, then mix in vegetable oil, honey, cocoa powder, and finally baking soda, heating it over a water bath. Gradually incorporate flour into this heated mixture until you have a slightly sticky dough that becomes easier to handle once chilled. Roll out the dough into 3 even layers and bake each one until golden. For the creamy filling, whip room temperature butter with sweetened condensed milk, vanilla extract, and cocoa powder mixed with a little more oil for the perfect consistency. The unique part comes from creating a moist filling with cake trimmings, a splash of coffee, a great alternative to cognac, and your favorite jam or extra sweetened condensed milk for added sweetness. Cover your cake layer by layer with cream and filling, topping it off with a simple yet irresistible cocoa glaze. This cake promises a rich, moist bite every time, perfect for any chocolate lover's dream celebration. Check the description for full details.